Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to fill out Schedule A full guide. Gather your Form 1040, receipts, mortgage interest statements, charitable donation records, and property tax bills before starting. Begin by totaling medical expenses, taxes paid, interest, gifts, and casualty losses in separate subtotals. Enter each subtotal into the matching schedule, align and double-check calculations for accuracy to avoid errors or delays. Start by organizing documents into categories like medical, taxes, interest, and gifts to charity. Create a simple checklist that matches schedule aligns to your receipts and statements so nothing is missed. Verify totals by category and note any reimbursements that reduce deductible amounts. Keep copies and an index for easy reference if you need to amend or substantiate deductions later. If you are finding this video helpful, please like and subscribe to support more tax walkthroughs and tips. Quick recommendation: a book that can truly change how you think about money is The Simple Path to Wealth, which offers clear, practical advice that pairs well with better tax planning. Check the description for the book link and other deals, and if you grab it, you might enjoy the perspective. Now let's get back to the video. Work through schedule line by line, starting with medical expenses and only including the deductible portion above the required threshold. Next, enter state and local taxes, then mortgage interest and investment interest as applicable. Add charitable gifts with documentation and casualty or theft losses if qualifying. Transfer the final totals to your Form 1040 and retain supporting documents in case of an audit or future questions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.